2012 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: park technology package, Bluetooth, HomeLink garage door opener, 6-speed automatic transmission standard, hard disk drive media storage, 4-wheel ABS, floor mats, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, auto on headlights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.